Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Mercury HD digital camcorder. I just got it for 127 bucks at Walmart. It says that it does 720p HD, 8MP for still pictures. It has a 2.7 inches LCD, and it has a 4x optical zoom. No, digital zoom. I know it sucks, but it's good enough for me. And I'm just going to be doing unboxing, showing you what it has inside. And yeah. So yeah, here I got it all cut up, and I'm going to open it. Some little logo thing falls out, some little compartment, and here we have a camera. Of course, very light. It just flips like that. Doesn't flip the opposite way there. Looks like that. It looks really light for a 720p camera. Here you see the SD card slot. You got the little screw hole for the tripod to screw in your tripod. Here you got the USB thing, video and audio output, some motor button, the record button, the zoom in and out. I guess you really don't even need that if it has 4 optical zoom, 4 times. Wait, keep on saying optical, but it's actually digital. And that's pretty much it. For I'm gonna see. I don't know how this thing opens. Oh. Yeah, the battery isn't in here. That's probably why it's so light. Yeah, I'm gonna take out the battery and see that. I think we got a pouch with it. Yeah, pouch for the. Got a little pouch thing they put on your wrist. Oh, battery. I'll put that to the side. Or wait, put the battery in right now, I guess. Here. I think it goes this way. Yeah. So yeah, insert SD card. Yeah, after I'm gonna be doing a video to check the quality of this thing, and yeah, so I'm gonna close it for now, and I'm gonna be making a video with this to see the quality, if it's actually high definition, but I'm pretty sure it's not. It just says it is, but good enough for me. Here we got component cables play into your HD TV. Here we got the charger, of course there's charger and battery thing. Here we got the normal cables plugging into your standard definition TV, and that's pretty much it. And you got manuals. Oh yeah, and you probably have a CD. Yeah, you have a CD to install the software, install something, manuals, and that's about it. AC adapter, that, got this thing, pouch, component cable. Oh yeah, you got the USB plug into your computer, and you got the camera itself. Pretty light, even with the thing. Oh, here we got the landscape mode and some other thing. I forgot what that flower thing means. Side it just says what it does. It just turns on as soon as you like flick the thing open. Oh, there's a power button right here too. And yeah, looks pretty good for a 720p cheap ass camera. By the way, I got it for 127. including tax, it was 140 something. Yeah.
Day and night, I toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind. I look for peace, but see I don't attain what I need for keeps this silly game we play.